Yes. Greetings, Biafra, all over the world. Greetings, lovers of freedom, all over the world. Umife, they won. Go to numero ụbọchị nke taa. Akwa na-agakwa. Akwa Obinigwe, kwuru na confirm kwa na Obinigwe nọ n'ọrụ. Ọkụ ihe Obinigwe kwuru na ife ga-eme na ọkọ enwe na-eme. Kwuru na-enwetakwa confirmation from side unu. Onye ọbụla na-enwetakwa confirmation from side ya. Because Obinigwe rụrụ onwe ya n'ọrụ na-emere onwe ya afa. Na-emere onwe ya afa naturally. Ọmaka mere anyị niile ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ ogologo ndụ na ahụ isi ike ka na-ewish each and every one of us. Onye ọbụla sị na anya aga ebi onye ha aga ebi. Onye ọbụla sị na anya aga enwe udo onye ha aga enwe udo. Onye ọbụla sị na anya nwa aga n'iru onye ha aga n'iru. Onye gọziri anyị ga-abụ onye agọziri agọzi. Onye kwadoro anyị ga-abụ onye akwadoro akwado. Onye na-echere anyị echiche ọma ga-abụkwa onye a ga-echere echiche ọma. Because ihe ahụ ihe eji wee mara anyị. Anyị wawu ife, anyị wawu genuine Biafrans. Anyị nwere personality, bịa nwekwa responsibility. Igbo original Igbo Biafrans, Biafran genuine Biafrans, they have responsibilities and they have originality. And then at the focus if I had. Without wasting time, this is Biafran Exodus TV, always bringing you the message of redemption and liberation to the hearts and the minds of our people. Onye anyị nọchiri, onye na-aga nọchiri anyị. Ihe anyị nọ n'ime ya kịta na USB ka anyị nọ n'ime ya. USB nke anyị nwa mere agree together. Anyị niile ụmụ Biafra through vote ya. I told the vote wee pass ya wee tinye ozi Tinubu we got declare Biafra. We agreed. Referendum, we did it. And now we voted it. And we voted the name USB as our new nation. Emechara may achieve. And everybody can on here now. Whether the devil like it, whether the devil don't like it, everybody can on here now. You take my point. We can't go well established. There is nothing like confusion about it. Unless we don't get confused. You may not decision on how make it. So without wasting time, this is Dr. Ngozi, DPM, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. Reaction to gossipers. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze have responded to the gossipers. Ndị a na-akụgharị asịrị n'ịntanetị. Sị na anyị na ha bụ na anyị na ha na-eme ihe Biafra. Sị na anyị na ha na-eme ihe Biafra na they are looking for freedom, but so say ha na-arụ wee na-akụgharị asịrị. They don't have anything to put on the table. They don't have anything good to put on the table. Agakata ihu ha agawa azụ. Agakata ihu ha agawa azụ. How can genuine Biafrans follow? How can genuine Biafrans follow all these people named on this Biafra movement? I know Katani Agawas. Biafrans don't follow such people. They don't follow such people. Biafrans they follow. They focus. Biafrans follows those that are focused. Those that are moving forward. Those that are progressive. That's what on the Biafrans they follow. But they don't get it. But they keep on deceiving themselves, thinking that Nagana Aquas and Hako Chasare. Now, I know what Biafrans are this day, and I did down. See, when they was here, I just see when they was here, not just in there, Messi. When the shame unto you all, people don't know who we are. People don't know who we are. You're making a very big mistake. I want to ever nature Druno. I nature Druno, Kodruno Nama, all these witches, I nature Kodri Hanama, like I see from their evil way poor, so that can obtain the mercy of God. Can be progressive. Come down where do talk, where they progressive. The thing now about Unobi. You see that Nanda around the Chukuna Burano. They are cost people. Now listen to the reaction of Dr. Ngozi Orabueze to all these mediocres. Just listen, pay attention. Or you get Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. Go and drop your comment. Go and drop your heart in the comment section. Because this is Biafra under democracy. But only black phrase yoku we could shinala. Let's go there. Let's go. Let me.
With us. Oh, where was he before? Oh, we never saw him in our meetings. Oh, he was never publicly shown by Nnamdi Kanu. Now, why is he just coming to now take over? Where is he just coming from? We are the ones that have been there taking the bullet. Where is he? We've been fighting this war. I want to
Imagine.
It only makes sense to them, oh. Because that's their clique. That's how they feel they can get Biafra for us. So it makes sense to them. When they say, oh, where has he been? He just came. He's a Nigerian politician. He was Tinubu paid him. He's not a true distant. Blah, blah, blah. Is he even a, he's not even a Biafran. We don't know where his mother and father stays. We're back the same template.
Same template.
And today, all of them IPOB organization members and all that, all them IPOB manding abroad, how many of them has been taken in the land? Is it not Simon Ekpa, Finland?
Okay, look at the question on her. You know the question on her. All these people are for now opposition to the well-being of our own people against our own freedom, pretending they are doing the freedom with us. All of them, name them when they are people. Let them know in the Nigerian natural. I remember only somebody, because I'm not the only person doing the rightful thing. I am the only person, truly person fighting for his own people. I had to pack there with the help of these people. I never now go. Why are you people doing this kind of evil against your own people? Why? Why are you people doing it? Don't you know that the idea that not really work about idea? Why are you people so evil like kind of now? Why are you people heading that towards that race? Why? But all one decision no make it. No, I would the only way. No problem. What you plant is what you sow is what you're gonna reap. No problem.
Boom! They clamped him down because they've seen he is the right person. All these noisemakers, all these riffraffs, all over, being paid by the Nigerian state. Did any government touch them? No. Did they clamp them down? No.
None of them.
Because they have their intelligence that looks and checks each of them out and tell them, no, this one, forget this noise he's making, it's nothing. This one, that one. They have their intelligence. Boom! When it came to the PM, that's him right there. You got to get him. He's the one. He's the one they're listening to. And immediately, boom.
This is just the part one of our response to all these ridicles, to all these gossipers, to all these haters of our freedom, to all these enemies of progress. But every day they will be coming up online and they will be threatening the life of Biafrans, threatening their life, threatening their families. They say that no kweli wagababuna. When if not threatening our people because of nine at when your child can come on together, can walk or can no man recover off of uno no bubu ka unuma. Obinigo be buchu the nina. Ala Biafra ge buchu the nina. Na fachipo ka biama. He said, because when we take this message here, you may talk and share this because our people need to get informed. I know Biafrans, we always be here setting the record straight. The truth about the whole matter, I want on a USB, the country, I want to decide, whether my USB or them or danger. Now we go make them well. USB, I want to talk on them, I know I get better on them, and I didn't win you on that choice. I get better USB or them. Then all one of the could be a TPI USB on super where build, super web, super TPI, here get begging, you gala, you got the exposed. You got this disgrace and you're going to be destroyed. Please, that is not my prayer for you. That is not my prayer for any Biafran at all. Everybody, that is my heart for Biafrans. Why can't we have this simple mindset towards one another? Why can't we just have this simple mindset towards one another? Leave sentiment. Just be wishing inside of your heart. I just want it to be good for everybody. Every Biafran's number. Just make we anymore begin. Just be at it. Don't need to have that negative, because when you are doing it, you are self-destroying yourself. I have said this message many countless times, but I will keep on repeating it whenever it comes up. So I love you all from the depth of my heart. Long live Mazen Nandikalo. Long live PM Samoneba. Long live USB government. Long live Dr. Orabueze and all the genuine cabinet members. On who the original, on who the face of Biafra. Every other group there, they are making mockery of themselves, and Biafrans know. And if you allow yourself to be deceived by all these mediocres, that is your choice. May you never make that kind of stupid and a rubbish choice in your life. That's what you go, you say, to see you some other time. Love you all. God bless.